everybody, it's Tiki. I'm here in Minocqua to give you guys a tour of our new building. So we'll start off right over here. If you come around to the corner, we have our new check writing station. This is where you can get your deposits ready. We moved it from the middle of the lobby over to this corner just to add a little bit of privacy. We did update the bathrooms, added some accessibility features to those as well. If you come around here, you'll notice that we do have this privacy screen. It adds a little bit of privacy and sound barrier to our offices over there. We added this new online banking station. We have both an iPad and a PC, so you can access your online banking in a way that you're comfortable with, and we can also help you as well if you need. And then one of the biggest changes is we did change up our teller line. We added these pods with these monitors that we can turn around to help our members a little bit better. We added new cash dispensing machines, and then in the drive-thru we added a new cash dispensing machine and then some lockers for storage for our employees. The benefits to these cash machines are that they are more efficient, more secure, and a lot faster. And to demonstrate it, we have Pam here who will deposit some money for me. Alright, so then from the teller line, if you want to follow me over here, we'll go through the existing offices that were here before and what they are. This one right here is our branch manager's office. From there, we have a financial service office. And then our mortgage lending office. And then from there, I'll give you a little tour of what all the offices look like. They are set up mostly the same. So in here, again, we have those movable monitors so that we can share everything with you. We have a soundboard to help with privacy between the offices, and then our employees' favorite feature is we do have these stand-up desks so our employees can choose to either stand up or sit down, whatever's comfortable for them. All right, so then from here we can head back out to the lobby. All right, so then this is behind that privacy screen here. We have a nice long countertop for our tellers to prepare things, and then some storage underneath. And then back in our lobby, we got a little bit of an update in here. This is where our teller line used to be, and now we have 2 new account offices. Our membership is ever growing, so we did add these 2 new offices so that way we can better help our members with some more complex situations that require the privacy of an office. And then over here is our updated waiting room. With this, we did get a Wi-Fi booster, so we have slightly better Wi-Fi in the building, and we have the equipment ready to be installed to have a cell phone booster as well, because this is a notorious dead zone here. So you can check your online banking here while you wait, or feel free to come here and utilize that option as well if you don't want to use the online banking station. We opened up a conference room as well here. So this will be for larger appointments or any sort of meetings that need to go on here. And then over here we still have our financial advisor Jeff's office. He got some new furnishing, new carpet, just a little bit of an update in there as well. So next we're gonna head to a place that you probably haven't been before. We used to have the double doors here. We do still ask if you need to go beyond this point, you have an employee with you, as most of these are employee-only facilities. We're gonna head first to the training room. Here at Park City, continuing education and innovation is very important to us, so we provided this training room so that our staff can keep up to date on their training. Here they will keep up to date on federal policies and procedures, internal products and services, and then they'll learn about the latest new scams so that way they can be on the alert. Next, we're heading to the conference room. We were able to see a little bit of the conference room through the lobby windows. This just provides a bigger space for meetings and appointments that our offices can provide. Here's another financial service office. Back there we have our emergency exit and supply closet. We have our underwriter's office here, an employee bathroom here. And then back here, another employee favorite is our employee lounge. Many of our employees do actually stay on site for their lunches and breaks, so this just provides a nice place for them to do so.